everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the USB device not recognized message in Windows 10 and 11. First, let's try to plug in your USB device in a different port. Now sometimes a simple switch can resolve the issue, so if it doesn't work, let's move on to the next method. Let's start by right-clicking on the Windows logo and select Run. In the Run box, type power cfg.cpl and hit enter, and that should open the power options window. Click on change when the computer sleeps, then click change advanced power settings. In the advanced settings window, scroll down and expand USB settings. Under USB selective suspend settings, make sure it's set to disable. Click apply, then OK. If that didn't resolve the issue, let's open the File Explorer and navigate to this PC, then to your C drive, then Windows, then INF folder. In the search bar, type WPDMTP. Right-click on the file and select Install. If it's successful, you'll see Operation completed successfully. And restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Let's try to change the drive letter. Right-click on the Windows logo and select Disk Management. Here, find your USB device in the list. Right-click on it and choose Change Drive Letter and Path. Click Change, select a different letter, and then click OK. And see if that resolves the issue. If not, let's move on to the next method. Now, the last method you could try is to update the drivers. So let's right-click on the Windows logo again and select Device Manager. Scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click on the standard Enhanced PCI to USB Host Controller if you see it, or USB Root Hub, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Now, if you see any device with a yellow exclamation mark, try updating those as well. If updating didn't fix the issue, right-click on the driver and select Uninstall Device. Then restart your computer and Windows will automatically reinstall the latest version of the driver. Let me know in the comments below if this has fixed your issue and which method worked for you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.